This video covers how to read a bank statement. The first thing you need to look at is the period the statement covers. So if you look up here in the upper right hand corner, it says that the statement covers May 20th through June 18th. The next thing you need to look at is the account number of the statement. So the account numbers are located on the left hand side. So you have the checking account number right here as to what the statement covers. And then you have the previous statement balance. So the previous statement balance is listed here. And then you have the total deposits, so it'll total the deposits for you, and total withdrawals, and it'll give you your new balance for the statement. So this statement on May 19th had $612.04. A total of 3 deposits were made for $1,980.68, and a total of 10 withdrawals were made for a total of $1,705.25. Therefore, the new balance is $883.97. And you can see that the plus and the negative sign, so plus means like it was deposited, so those deposits are added to the account, and the subtraction sign is withdrawals or taken out of the account. Checks and other debits. So these are check numbers that were deposited into or withdrawn or written out of the account. Actually, these would be added to the account. So these are check numbers that were deposited into the account. These were the dates that they were deposited, the amount, and same here, check number, date, and amount. And these are withdrawals from the ATM, so you can see the dates and the amounts there. Deposits and other credits, so these were other deposits, like a transfer from the ATM on May 27th, and you can see the amount. Another deposit at the ATM and a direct deposit at the bank on the 18th of June. And then these, down here it says ATM locations used. It lists the locations as to where you used the ATM, so you can cross-reference that with where you were, or if you remember exactly what ATMs you used, just to make sure that those are correct as well. So, and this is how you read a bank statement.